Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, I will teach you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's dive in without wasting any time. First things first, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. After opening Settings, you should now see an option, Privacy. Tap on it to move toward the next step. Here you can see there is an option, Private Account, and by tapping on it, Instagram will ask for your confirmation. By confirming it, your account will then be switched to private mode and you can enjoy all the features of a private account. That's it for today's video, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.